Hi you guys, this is our press brake pressure. Our machine is 60 ton. Our guys are setting the punching tool into this machine. We wanna make the louver by this tool. Usually material guys use the punching machine to make the louver, but today we use the material brake to make the louver. Okay, now our worker is making the shoot by the press brake. Let's check. Okay, let's check the products, the quality of the products. Let's check the other side of the products. Now our guys make some more holes in this material sheet. The quality is very perfect. Okay. We also can make some holes by special tool. You know, there are 4 holes in the 4 corners of the louver. Now we wanna make this kind of holes. Yes, let's check the other side. The product is perfect. Let's make more holes for checking the quality of punching. Let's check the quality of this part.